These are 4 things you need to do this week to get some more business. Now, these may not work to get business immediately, but they may actually get you business faster than you think. My name is Tristan. This is your daily real estate where I go over some tips, some great ideas, some actionable things, sometimes mindset, about 5 to 10 minutes daily to make sure that you're headed in the right direction with your real estate business. Now, these 4 things that we're going to talk about right now alternate between AI, some traditional, some relationships. Just go with it. Keep your mind open as you're listening, because that's what I need in order for this to work with you. Number 1, use ChatGPT to draft a short, friendly follow-up email for open house visitors. One of the challenging things that I find for real estate agents is they don't know how to follow up. So, don't know how to follow up not only with leads in general, but open house leads. So what I want you to do, before you get to the open house, you're getting all the paperwork ready, you put up all the signs, you're hopefully there early. Maybe, listen, if you know you're always behind, do this the day before. And it's super simple. I want you to go to ChatGPT or Claude. I personally like Claude better for natural language. And once you're there, you're going to put in the address and say, put in the address of where you have the open house. And you're going to say, use this address to send out a quick text. Use this address to create a quick text and a quick email and a quick 30-second transcript for a teleprompter, so you can read it, that thanks the person who visited this open house today and lets them know that we have homes that are not yet on the market that are coming soon. Now, if you've got good connections with your brokerage, with your team, there's always a list of properties that are coming soon, like a day away, 2 days away. It's like, oh, you know what, we're fixing this one up. It might be for sale, things like that. The point is, you can tweak that to create whatever type of messaging you want, and then just press create. And then it'll give you a short text that you can grab and send to everyone, a short email that you can grab and email to everyone who came by. This way you don't have to think about it. It's got the address. And then a teleprompter. You could literally just shoot the video the day before. Thanks for coming to my open house on 123 Banana Street. No, I would say no. Thanks for coming to my open house at 123 Brilliant Street. That's the one I use. Brilliant Street. I've got some other properties, or my brokerage has other properties that are coming out very soon. Let me know if you need a list of those. Something like that. The point is, use that. That's number 1. It works very well because we do it. That's why I know it works. Number 2, record a 1-minute video explaining the biggest market change in your city this month. Post it on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, X, everywhere. And use the app Teleprompter to make sure you deliver a good message. The app is actually called Teleprompter, and it's so easy to use because I use it daily. Go watch my TikTok videos. It's exactly what I use. And people are like, Tristan, there's no way you're reading. And some people are like, you're reading. I don't know where you fall, but I can tell I'm reading. Some people can't tell. I'm like, damn, okay, well, very good. I'm just shooting the video. I'm editing the video on CapCut, but I'm shooting it on Teleprompter, the app. And I'm literally just reading. So make a transcript for whatever news you want. I just did one. Well, I just go to TikTok. Be inspired by my TikTok. It's Tristan.Almada. Check it out. Go through all of them. Please be inspired. Duplicate it. Number 3, create a carousel post showing 3 steps to a smooth transaction. And tag your escrow and title partners, or even your lender. This way they're like, oh, and obviously if you're going to tag them, thank them and say, I've got a great escrow. I've got a great attorney. I've got a great title. I've got a great lender. This is a collaborative business. We have a team. We have friends. We have partners, right? So put this together and you're like, Tristan, I don't know where to start. Well, go to Claude, and say, create a 3-step carousel ad and connect it and create it on Canva. And it'll create it on Canva if you connect your Canva on Claude. And if you want to get more into the weeds, and you create it. You create it on your own on Canva or whatever app you use. Number 4, send a quick voice message to 5 past clients asking about MRI. You're like, Tristan, what is MRI? Well, thank you for asking. Maintenance, repairs, and improvements. This is the key, because people who live in a house often think about maintenance, often a lot think about repairs. And sometimes they're like, man, well, we should improve this or we should expand this. And when you're reaching out to 3 past clients, maybe if you have enough every day for a week, right? And you're saying, hey, I know you've been living there for 2 years. Listen, I've got a great list of vendors that you might need for maintenance, repairs, and improvements. Let me know. Or I've got a great plumber. I've got an electrician. That idea. Anyway, those 4 things we do often. You can watch my TikToks. I do that. Watch on Instagram. We even do it on Y Realty a little bit on the carousel ads. But take a look at what we do. We do this. It works. This is why I'm telling you. These are the 4 things you could do right now to get business. And you will start attracting instead of having to chase all the time, right? Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Please follow this channel wherever you're listening to. Subscribe to the newsletter. It's a real estate prospecting. Goes out every Friday at 5:30 p.m. Pacific, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Have an awesome day.